Hello and welcome back to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. It's been a couple of weeks since my last upload here, and here in Melbourne the weather is starting to get cooler and wetter. Autumn is certainly here, but that's not bothering the growing arrangement of avocado seeds on the windowsill, waiting to germinate. And I have some rather pleasing news. A month on now from the seed cracking, I'm now confident that it is not dying. As you can see, we've still got this lovely creamy colour going on in the seed. The seed has split a little bit more, all the way through on one side, but if we look closely into the center of the seed, you can see a very small shoot beginning to emerge. Our avocado seed is germinating. As always, I'll be making sure the seed is always in water, and I'll continue to change the water once every week or two. I'm very glad that the seed appears to be growing. Thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.